What's going on, everybody? It's your name. And today we're diving headfirst into the world of online income. Forget the 9 to 5 grind. We're talking about building a business around your life, not the other way around. The internet has revolutionized how we earn a living. And now, more than ever, people just like you and me are ditching the corporate world and building their own empires from their laptops. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn some extra cash, or you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship full-time, there's an online opportunity out there for you. In this video, we're exploring the most lucrative and accessible ways to make money online. We'll break down each method step by step, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. No more fluff, no more get-rich-quick schemes, just actionable strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of the most straightforward ways to make money online: freelancing. Think of it as being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing your own clients. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding ninja, or a graphic design guru, there's a global market hungry for your talents. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect skilled individuals with clients seeking specific services. It's like a digital marketplace where you can showcase your expertise and attract clients from all corners of the world. Some of the most in-demand freelance gigs include writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and virtual assistants. The best part? You can choose to specialize in one area or offer a range of services to diversify your income streams. Creating a winning freelancer profile is crucial. Highlight your skills, experience, and portfolio to stand out from the competition. Remember, first impressions matter. So invest time in crafting a compelling profile that showcases your expertise. Don't be afraid to set your rates competitively. Your skills are valuable and you deserve to be compensated fairly. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates, but starting strong is key. Freelancing offers incredible flexibility and earning potential. You're in control of your workload, schedule, and income. If you're willing to put in the effort and deliver exceptional work, freelancing could be your ticket to financial freedom. Case.
Ever wondered how those YouTubers and bloggers seem to make money by simply talking about products they love? That's the power of affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, you earn a commission for every sale you drive to a company's product or service through your unique affiliate link. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, choose products that resonate with your audience, and promote them on your website, social media, or other online platforms. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's that simple. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've created your content and strategically placed your affiliate links, you can continue earning commissions as long as people are clicking and buying. Finding the right affiliate programs is crucial. Look for programs that offer products relevant to your niche and have a solid reputation for paying out commissions on time. Amazon Associates is a popular choice for beginners, but countless other programs cater to specific industries and interests. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to provide value to your audience. Create high-quality content that educates, informs, or entertains your readers or viewers. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring transparency and authenticity.
Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store, selling products to customers worldwide? E-commerce has made it easier than ever to turn that dream into a reality. And the best part, you don't even need to store or ship any inventory. Dropshipping takes the hassle out of e-commerce by allowing you to sell products without ever physically handling them. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, list products from a dropshipping supplier, and market your store. When a customer places an order, the dropshipping supplier handles everything from packaging to shipping. You earn the difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs.
Chapter 4. Blogging and Content Creation. Share your passion, earn an income. If you have a knack for writing, creating videos, or recording podcasts, blogging and content creation could be your path to online income. By sharing your knowledge, experiences, or passions, you can build a loyal audience and monetize your content through various avenues. One popular monetization method is Google AdSense. By displaying targeted ads on your blog or website, you earn money every time a visitor clicks on an ad. The more traffic you generate, the higher your earning potential. Sponsored posts are another lucrative way to monetize your blog. Companies are always looking for influential bloggers to promote their products or services to their audience. You can charge a fee for writing and publishing sponsored posts, generating income while providing value to your readers. Affiliate marketing, as we discussed earlier, is a natural fit for bloggers and content creators. By recommending products or services you genuinely believe in, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your affiliate links. Building a successful blog or content platform takes time, effort, and consistency. Choose a niche that you're passionate about, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and promote your work through social media, email marketing, and other channels.
Chapter 5. Digital Products and Online Courses. Package your knowledge. Have you ever thought about sharing your expertise with the world and getting paid for it? That's the power of digital products and online courses. Whether you're a master chef, a coding whiz, or a financial guru, there's an audience eager to learn from the best. Digital products come in all shapes and sizes, from ebooks and templates to software and plugins. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, you can sell them an unlimited number of times without incurring additional production costs. Online courses have exploded in popularity in recent years, offering a convenient and accessible way for people to learn new skills from the comfort of their own homes. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to create, host, and sell online courses on virtually any topic. Choosing a profitable niche is crucial when creating digital products or online courses. Identify a target audience with a specific need or pain point, and develop a product or course that provides a solution. Marketing your digital products or online courses is essential for reaching your target audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your sales pages and generate conversions.
Chapter 6. Investing. Put your money to work for you. While not strictly making money online, investing is a crucial component of building long-term wealth and achieving financial freedom. The internet has made investing more accessible than ever, allowing anyone to grow their money through various online platforms. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm, offering the potential for high returns but also carrying significant risks. Before investing in cryptocurrencies, it's essential to do your research, understand the technology behind them, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Stock market investing has long been a popular way to build wealth. Online platforms like Robinhood and e*Trade have made it easier than ever to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other investment vehicles. Real estate crowdfunding is another exciting investment opportunity that allows you to invest in commercial or residential properties with as little as a few $100s. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul connect investors with vetted real estate projects, offering the potential for passive income and long-term appreciation. Investing involves risk, and it's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Before making any investment decisions, do your due diligence, consider your risk tolerance, and consult with a qualified financial advisor.
There you have it. 6 incredible ways to make money online and start building your path to financial freedom. Whether you're passionate about freelancing, intrigued by affiliate marketing, or eager to launch your own e-commerce empire, there's an online opportunity out there waiting for you. Remember, the key to success is taking action. Don't let fear or overwhelm hold you back. Choose the method that best aligns with your skills, interests, and goals, and start building your online income stream today. The world of online business is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring new possibilities. Your future is in your hands. Make it happen.